But what I want to do is blend this hardwood apparatus extra piece that I had on my floors. You know, want to blend it so it looks like one piece, I think. Of course.